Hey guys, what's up? Today it is Brady's 4th birthday. So, off camera, I got Brady all dressed up. He wanted to be cool today since he's a big kid. So, we got Brady, we got his cool outfit, his cool hat, and his cool glasses, and his cool haircut. So, now it is now I have to change. So I got Brady all dressed up, but it is morning time, so we haven't eaten breakfast yet. So I am going to give Brady his breakfast, and then yeah. So he had his eggs. He hasn't had his. Oh wait, he didn't have his eggs. He had one egg, but he asked me for one more. So I'm just going to come over here and make his eggs. Alright, gonna roast that because he loves it like really brown. So we're gonna just do that. Alright, look at the pretty view. Gotta wait for a long time. But yeah. I think what Alright, I think this is enough. We're just gonna take that and get some. Alright, let's go call Brady. Brady! Yeah? It's time for breakfast. Okay. Okay. And here's your milk. This is Brady's favorite breakfast of all times. Right? And I'll just put it here if you need more. Now I'm going to get a dress because he wanted me to be cool with him, so I am going to go take a bath right now. So I'm going to take my headband off and I'm going to put my on. Alright, let's put my outfit there. And now let's take a shower. Okay, and put that over. Alright guys, now I'm going to dry my hair. Okay, on it. Okay, let's hold it. Wait, first I'm gonna brush my hair. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna dry my hair. Put this away. Okay. Alright, now that I am done, I am going to go find what outfit am I gonna wear. It's not that hot, so I'm not gonna wear that. A choice. Nope, this is pajamas. No, too hot. And pajamas. So my only option is this. I'm gonna put these back. Alright, now Brady wanted me to wear my glasses and my headband. So, take this. Alright, now I'm gonna surprise Brady. Brady, surprise! Whoa, Mom, you look so cool like me. Yup. I'm gonna go read a book while you finish your breakfast. Alright, I'm done. Let's just drink this. Put it there. Mom, I'm done. Alrighty. Now here's the surprise. We're gonna go to the toy store. Really? Then are we gonna are we gonna go to the movie theater? Yes! And then after that, the restaurant. Or we could just do the toy store and the restaurant. Okay, I'll just do the toy store and the restaurant. Alright, let's go. Let's pet Buster first before we go. Hey, Buster. Alright, goodbye, baby. Alright, now let's go. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. Oh, well, hello. Welcome to the toy store. Why are you guys looking all snazzy? Oh, it's Brady's birthday today. I knew that was Brady's birthday, and I got a present for him. What he's always wanted. Here's the present. Really, Mr. Toyman? I love it. Here you go. A toy airplane? I love this. Thank you, Mr. Toyman. No problem. OMG, how much do I have to pay you? Nope, it's free. Really? Thank you so much. Mommy, look at that. Wee, wee, wee. Hey, can I play with you? Yes! Wee, 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 woo, woo, woo. Anyway, so, yeah. Do you want to get some detective stuff, Brady? Yes, thank you. Yes, I've been always wanting detective stuff. Thank you, please. Alright, this is the whole set. Yes! Can I get a new DS? Please? And can I get something I really wanted to get? What did you want to get? Okay, I'll pick one then. I want to get a hamster. Mom? Oh yeah, a hamster would be fine. Let's see. Oh, so cute. Look at all these dogs and cats. Are you sure you want a hamster or not a dog or a cat for a friend for Buster? I just want a hamster. It looks so cute. Alright, we're getting a hamster. Hi, can I please get a hamster? Sure thing. Get it up for you. Here you go. Now be careful with this because this is a glass and it might break. Alright. Alright, Brady, we got it. Now let's go home. Ooh, can we also get this bed for Buster? Yes, I've been wanting that. Alright. Now we gotta go pay. Yep. Come on now. I'll pick you up. Hi, one sec, I forgot my cash at the ATM, so I'm gonna get that. But here's the stuff I'll be ordering. Alright, that would be $20. Alright, thanks. Let me go get it from the ATM. Alrighty, we add my number. Alright, 10 and then 20. Alright. Would you want this in a bag? No, please. No. Right, thank you. Let's put that in. That in. Alright, you guys, have a nice day. You too. Bye. Let's go. Oh, this thing is so cute. Alright, let's go home. Alright, let's go over here. Oh, my hat! Buster, we're home! Now, where are we gonna keep this little hamster thing? Oh my gosh, at my desk? Then where? Okay, how about just put my thing here and we could put this here? Alright, perfecto. Now, Buster, we've got you a bed. Yay! Alright, Mommy. It's my nap time now, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Huh, I'm glad that you know what your nap time is. Alright, good night, Mommy. I had the funnest day ever. Even though we didn't get to go to the restaurant, I still had a really fun day. Thank you, Mommy. Hugs. Alright, good night. Alright, now that Brady is sleeping, I just wanted to do an outro, so subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like this video, and comment, and we'll see you on next time. Bye!